Let me speak to the men. I know I have a few on my channel. If you are married and your wife was one of those wives that is like, my husband this, my husband that, he is my king, he is my everything, I submit to him, he made me this and this and that. If that wife suddenly goes quiet, you are talking to the wife, they're like, okay, are you done? Okay. If that wife goes quiet, go and pray. Go and pray, because whatever comes after that calmness is not pleasant. It's not going to be pleasant to you, husband. But it's even worse if that wife, before she goes crazy, goes to therapy. You must make sure that they don't go to therapy. If they go to therapy, the wife that was saying, my husband this, my husband this, my husband that, and something, goes quiet. And then after that, they go to therapy. You are about to be sitting there saying, Yabonak, 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 Yabonak. You are about to be mselik. So, Makumalo's episode just aired, the uncut. It was an episode that I think might have been the most challenging in terms of the edit. I think they really needed 2 episodes because Makumalo didn't just turn the corner. She turned 4 corners. She turned a corner, then turned another, then turned another, then turned another one, and kind of ended up in the same place, but as a different person. If you turn 4 times, 1, 2, 3, yes. We needed 2 full episodes of Makumalo's Uncut because it's a lot. When I was reviewing this show in earlier seasons, people used to say I hate Makumalo because I never used to come here and be like, I just love how Makumalo loves her husband. She's so supportive of her husband. I was always out here being like, I don't understand Makumalo, because I could not relate to her. I don't know how many times I would say, I can relate to Makumalo, because I don't understand how you are always like, my husband, I love you, I support you, whatever you want. I did not understand how a man will sit there and say, I do not want to look at other options for you to have a baby, even though Mina, I have 10. And then you can be like, no, I understand my husband. I did not understand. I could not relate to her. I could not relate to somebody that did not have emotions that go up and down. Like, isn't it natural? You get angry, you get frustrated, you get, and then you happy. I did not understand somebody that is always like, that was my issue, and I always said that, but people always interpreted that to be me hating Makomala, like they always do with other people that I talk about. But my issue was that I could not relate to Makomala. You tell me, when you're always. It was very, very difficult for me to understand her. So now she's going through some transition, and I'm like, so you do have emotions. So you do get frustrated. So you do have moments where you are misunderstood. So you do get moments when you are like, why did I even marry this man? And I'm loving it. If you thought that Umsele was having a difficult time doing diary sessions with Umayeni last season, season 9 is about to be lit because Makumalo is sitting down with somebody. And I looked once and I was like, I hope it's not a therapist. I hope it's not a therapist. For Musa Mselegu's sake, I hope that is not a therapist. Because after Makumalo sees a therapist, she's about to go off. Only now Musa Mselegu is about to learn who Makumalo is. Because Makumalo is discovering herself right there inside the marriage, Pagati. And she's like, listen, all along I've been that kid that you met years ago. But that kid is gone, honey. Now, Makumalo's issue right now is that Musa Mselegu did what he never did to her. Musa Mselegu did not do anything new. Because Musa Mselegu has embarrassed his wives in front of other wives. Musa Mselegu has thrown wives under the bus in front of other wives. Musa Mselegu has displayed that he cared more about other wives in front of other wives. But that was never done to Makumalo. It was done to the other wives. So it was new to Makumalo that Musa Mselegu would sit there in front of the other wives and embarrass her and throw her under the bus, which is why she ended up saying, peace, Chomi. She expected that when she walked away, remember when she was walking away with the weave, she expected that husband was going to stand up and be like, listen, I was wrong. I am so sorry. But he did not do it. He did not do it that night. He did not do it the following day. He did not do it the following day. He did not do it the following week. He did not do it the following month. And then month after month after month until the cameras came back 6 months later to shoot the diary for the uncut. 6 months later, Musa Mselegu has not apologized to Makumalo for what he did to her at that table. And she cannot believe it. And she's going through everything that Mayeni has gone through. And she's going through everything that Mangwabe has gone through. Now she can't sit there and be like, I don't understand why Musa Mselegu doesn't treat the other wives like he treats me, because he is so respectful. He respects me. She cannot say that because this time Musa Mselegu was disrespectful and he will not apologize for it. So he waited until the cameras came around. And let me tell you something. Last season, Mayeni sat there and said, Wena Musa Mselegu, you act different when the cameras are not around. You act more sick. There was a time when Mayeni said, Wena masekufika ma camera, wenzengathi ugula kakhulu. So I know you are not sick because you are not like this when the cameras are not around. Also, you don't want to resolve things when you are supposed to resolve them. When things happen, you ignore them. When you are supposed to address things, you ignore them. And then you come in this diary session and then you start talking nonsense. Didn't Mayeni say that? Didn't Mayeni say that last season? Makumalo is saying the same thing. Makumalo is saying, the fight we had, the disrespect that happened 6 months ago. Why are you here apologizing? Why are you? And she basically wanted Musa Mselegu to say, I'm apologizing because the cameras are here, but he wouldn't say it. And then Makumalo is like, I'm not accepting your apology because I've been asking for it for 6 months and you did not give it to me. Now that these people are back, now you want to apologize. And she didn't. Makumalo did not accept Mselegu's apology. I was like, what the hell is happening? What the hell is it? She did not accept it. She's like, 6 months later, and I had to beg for it. It's like, listen, apologize all you want, but I am accepting your apologies. And Makumalo is done. And then you guys, okay, that one I'll talk about in another video. I feel like it would be unreasonable for us to expect that these wives would get along and be best friends. But I feel like if they could just use their intelligence, because they are all very intelligent, those wives, there are things that Makumalo would have known and understood that she was going to go through if she just watched a relationship with Macele and not think that she's special in. If she watched her relationship with Macele, a relationship with Macele, and then watched Mayeni with Musamseleko, and then watched Mangwabi, there are things that Makumal, by the time they happened to her, she would have known they were going to happen to her. If she did not watch with an eye and the brain of thinking you are too special because when you support your husband, because when you don't disagree with him, when you don't argue with him in public, like Mangwabe does sometimes, If she watched those relationships, I mean, guys, it's not a lot of us that were able to watch our husband be in relation. I don't even know how my husband is like in a relationship. Wouldn't I have loved to see it? Of course, because there are things that I would have known that, oh, this one does this. She had the privilege of seeing him with the 3 other women. But for some reason, Umakumalo always had this thing of Ngati, she is special, it's not gonna happen to her. But now it's happening to her. And even her, she cannot. It's almost like she's having an out-of-body experience because it's like, what the hell is happening? Even Musamsel is like, I thought I was going to rubbish you and you were going to come and apologize to me. Where is Makumalo? Upu Makumalo there is Mseleko. That's why when they were sitting in that reception and she's wearing a pink dress with the neck, which I thought was strangling her because she was frustrated. Okay, there's nothing that is worse than wearing a polo neck and you are angry and you are wearing a polo neck. You feeling as you are clean polo neck when she's wearing that dress with the thing. And Musamseleko said there and said, "Oh Makumalo that I met is not this one. She was very, very different. Now she has changed." And she felt like she wanted to get out of that dress. I feel like really, honestly, Makumalo thought she was special. And even though Mangwabe had come after her, but I think she always thought she was that shiny thing that was just always going to shine. But now she realizes, no, I was only a shiny thing when I was supporting him, agreeing with him, doing everything the way that he wanted, and letting him do what he wanted to do. But now that I'm not doing that, I'm not that thing anymore. And also, you guys, did you hear? Now, ngifuna ngathi ngingaba nama-glasses endlebe khona nizozwa kahle nifake ama-glasses ala or hearing aid. Did you hear Musamseleko say, every woman that I have had, that I had intentions of introducing to the family, Makumalo was speaking to those women. Because she would be the one to sort of approve the women before they are actually officially approved. Remember when Macele even said, the one thing I don't like about Makumalo is that she becomes friends with girlfriends, Bagamseleko. And Mina, I only want to get closer to them when they become wives. So now that Umseleko is telling us the secrets between him and Makumalo, the secrets are coming out that when she was talking about Makumalo, you remember Makumalo we never met. Umseleko is saying Makumalo had spoken to the Makumalo. So the women that Umseleko will be trying to introduce to the family so that he can take number 5, those women, Makumalo will be talking to them. He says that even Makwela had been introduced to Umakumalo. I think it was in the form of a picture because for some reason she had said about Makwela that Makwela is very beautiful. That was Makumalo. So now why would she pretend that she did not know anything about Makwela? Because she was sitting there with her sisters saying to them, by the way, and by the way, I know her. the surname Kwela reminds me of it means they went to the same school with Makwela's aunts, and she says that must have been her aunts considering her age, but I don't think I know her, but I know her family. But you had already told this husband of yours that she's beautiful. Makumalo also sat there and said, listen, I don't want to talk a lot because there are things that we cannot disclose here. And you know what that is? It is the fact that Makumalo bought her own house. That's one of the things. Makumalo, we all know. Girl, congratulations, okay? We all know you bought yourself a house because that man couldn't pay his hospital bill. He also goes on to say he did have money to pay for the hospital bill, but he refused to pay it. While he was sleeping there, having a stroke, he was like, Lwandle, don't give the money to my wives. Don't give the money to my wives. Now, all of a sudden, Ulwandle is competent enough to be taking care of Mselego's finances. Now, all of a sudden, Makumalo is not the accountant of the family. Umselego doesn't know his own audience. He does not know the audience that watch this show. That it's a very, very intelligent people. He thinks it's like the I don't know, the TikTok people or something. Because, sir, you had a stroke. And half the time you were unconscious. When the wives were having a discussion there, you could not even talk. Okay. And they knew you did not have money because Makumalo is the accountant of the family. That's why she paid that money while the other wives were trying to scramble and put the money together. And you are telling us that you told in your deathbed, Lord, don't pay my hospital bill. Amangalendot. Anyway, guys, there's a lot to talk about when it comes to Makumalo's episode. So I probably won't do just one video. So I am a video. Goodbye.